Desirable. Sheesh. Law of the land. What is not prohibited may be allowed. Interesting. Innocence or guilt is not an issue. Whoa. Aha! Woo! Now let's talk about the 4 cases that were previously discussed from episodes 1 to 4. First off, Chirskoff versus CIR. The court recognized the fundamental human rights of Chirskoff, an alien subject to deportation who was temporarily imprisoned for some time. Now the court ordered his release for deportation proceedings. The ruling emphasized the Philippines' adherence to the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which should also be extended even to undesirable aliens. Next, Cuevas versus Muñoz. The Supreme Court found that there was probable cause for the issuance of the warrant of arrest against accused Juan Antonio Muñoz, who was charged with several crimes by the Hong Kong government. The court underscored the treaty obligation of the Philippines with Hong Kong and recognized it as part of the law of the land. Now let's move on to the third case, Government of Hong Kong versus Olalia. Although the Supreme Court remanded the case to the trial court for further determination on whether Muñoz was entitled to bail, it extensively discussed the importance of respecting the individual human rights of the accused. While extradition and criminal proceedings differ in many aspects, the effects of extradition are similar to criminal proceeding. Although merely administrative in nature, extradition bears the hallmarks of a criminal process, such as the accused being subjected to arrest, having their liberty restrained for some time, and potentially being transferred to the requesting state. Hence, what is not prohibited may be allowed. And the last one is the Government of the United States versus Purganan. The Supreme Court ruled that Mark Jimenez was not entitled to notice and hearing. His right to bail is not a matter of right, but is discretionary on the part of the court. To sum it all up, the 4 cases basically highlight the careful balancing done by the Supreme Court between adherence to treaty obligations, the principles of pacta sunt servanda, and international comity on the one hand, and the need to respect the fundamental rights of extraditees and deportees on the other. See you again next time! Bye!